Okay, I'm going to try to clarify this activity a little bit because I think it's a little confusing as it is. So we've got 3 marbles, 2 of which are green, 1 of which is purple. And imagine that these marbles are in a bag and you're going to draw one at a time. You're going to draw one, put it back, and then draw again. So on your first draw, you have a choice of either green, green, or a purple, as you can see. And then if you put it back, your second draw is going to give you the same options. You still have a choice of green, green, or purple. You still have a choice here of green, green, or purple, because every time you draw, you just put it back and you have the same choices. And so here you have a choice of green, green, or purple. This bottom row is where they're asking you to just list all of the combinations. And so for this first one, it's going to be, if you choose green and then green again, it just means that you have a combination of green, green. Same here, green, green means green, green. And then here it's green and then purple. And that's what they were trying to show with this example. So here is also green, green, and here green, purple. Okay. Now for this last one, they're saying purple first and then green. So purple, green, purple, green, and then this last combination is going to be purple, purple. And back to the question of find the probability that both marbles are green. That's where this chart is going to be handy because it shows us that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 total outcomes. Our job is to see how many are both green. So here's one, that's 2, 3, 4. 4 out of 9 would give us both green. I'm going to let you guys do the rest of this, but I wanted to show you how to get started. I do want to show you how this changes on activity 2 because now we're assuming that we're not putting the first marble back. So our first choice is still green, green, or purple, but now our second draw is going to depend on our outcome of the first draw. And so if your first draw is green, then imagine that this is no longer an option, that you have this guy and this guy left. So you have 1 green, 1 purple. Now if you draw this guy, now he's no longer an option, but this guy is and this guy is. So I have another green and a purple to choose from. And if I draw this purple, then my only 2 choices left at that point are green, green. And this down here is where we do our combinations. So it's green and then green, that's this, or green and then purple. Now here, it's green and then green, so green, green, and then they also just did green, purple. And here it's purple, then green, purple, green, and purple, green. They're asking, find the probability that both marbles are green. Now remember that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 possible outcomes. So that has changed. And green, green, there are only 2 out of 6, which remember we need to simplify it, is 1/3. So I hope that was helpful in getting you started. I'll let you guys do the rest on your own.